My name's Scott Paton. I'm head chef at Àclèaf in Plymouth. I joined Boringdon Hall in 2016, and now as we sit here, we have 4 research from the Michelin-starred. So the dish we're going to do is a walnut, coffee and pear. So the first thing we do is bring the cream and walnut paste to a boil. We're going to pour that over the caramel chocolate, whisk it lightly, and then add in a couple of eggs. Then we're going to take that into the piston funnel. We're going to fill this mould. And then we're going to transfer it to the oven and bake for about 45 minutes or so. So they come out and they're kind of set. We don't really know what to call it. It's like a fudge torte. Next, we're going to make our cocoa dip for our coffee mousse. So in here we have some of the caramel chocolate, a shot of espresso and some cocoa butter. So we're just going to melt this all down, so when we come to dip our frozen coffee mousse, it will set instantly. So whilst our dip is just cooling ever so slightly, we're going to make the sauce for the dish. So we finish this dish with almost like a chocolate creme anglaise. So but through there is some Pedro Jimenez sherry, some caramel chocolate, some cream and some walnut oil. We're just going to bring that to the boil really slowly, constantly whisking so it's all emulsified. Then we're going to go back to the coffee mousse. We're going to dip the coffee mousse into the cocoa butter glaze, and as you see, it'll set instantly. And then we'll finish that with a little bit of gold leaf. And then we have a pear, so a pear parfait. So it's iced pear parfait that we're just going to spray with some cocoa butter. So we have a white cocoa butter followed by the brown cocoa butter. To plate this, we take our dipped coffee mousse. So we're kind of going to build a circle with all of the elements. So there'll be 2 each. So we have 2 coffee mousse. Then we have our 2 balls of walnut fudge torte. Then that's finished with 2 balls of the pear parfait. And then we're going to pop this beautiful honey and cocoa twill over the top, finish with a little bit of gold leaf, and then sauce at the table to finish. So there we have walnut, coffee and pear.